Lumen House Guide is for educational purposes only. We are not tax professionals or financial advisors. Please seek independent advice for your situation. Stop. Before you invest in solar or a home battery in 2026, you need to hear this. The rules for Australia's biggest energy incentive are shifting, and waiting just a few weeks could cost you thousands in lost savings. Here is exactly what is changing and how to lock in your maximum benefit. You'll hear about batteries a lot here, but remember, every home and tariff is different, so treat this as guidance, not personal financial advice. Modern home batteries are compact, wall-mounted, and designed for safe daily cycling, storing solar power you'd otherwise export for only a few cents. Paired with an inverter, your battery charges from rooftop solar by day and powers your home at night, reducing grid dependence and bill volatility. Installers position units in tidy utility areas with clear airflow, compliant mounting, and cable management to keep systems safe, quiet, and family-friendly. Look for clear status indicators and warranty terms, 10 years or throughput limits, plus monitoring apps that show charge level, usage, and savings trends. The Australian government has significantly pivoted its energy policy. They've expanded the Cheaper Home Batteries program from an initial estimate of 2.3 billion to a massive 7.2 billion AUD over the next 4 years. The goal is to support over 2 million installations by 2030. But there is a catch. May 1, 2026 is your most important deadline. On this day, the rebate structure is scheduled to change. Currently, you get a significant upfront discount via small-scale technology certificates, or STCs. But from May 1st, the government is introducing tapering. This means while typical 14 kilowatt batteries get full support, any capacity above that will see the incentive slashed to 60%, or even as low as 15% for very large systems. If you want a big battery, you need it installed before May 1st to save the most money. Think of capacity like a water tank. Solar fills it during the day. Your evening appliances steadily draw it down until either full or empty. Energy flows from panels into the battery first, then to your home. Any excess exports to the grid, where feed-in rates may be much lower than import prices. Chemistry matters. Most Australian homes use lithium iron phosphate cells for stability and cycle life, with robust battery management to balance every cell. Selecting size depends on usage, evening KWO, solar generation, and tariff structure. Many households land between 10 and 15 kilowatt hours. With solar plus storage, you shift daytime generation to nights and cloudy periods, smoothing peaks and protecting against price spikes or brief outages. Check enclosure ratings, clearance, and switchboard location. A neat installation today simplifies future service, upgrades, or adding an EV charger. Dashboards show charge level, solar input, and load. Use them to time heavy appliances, like dishwashers or pool pumps, when solar is strongest. Across suburbs, thousands of homes are installing storage, building a distributed resource that supports the grid during hot evenings and peak demand. Your inverter is the traffic controller, converting DC to AC and coordinating charge and discharge rules set by your installer or your retailer's program. Combine battery storage with efficiency, insulate, seal drafts, and choose efficient appliances so stored energy stretches further every single night. Right sizing avoids overspending. Too small and you still buy a lot at night, too large and you might not fully charge it outside summer months. Golden hour solar can top up the battery before sunset, helping you ride through the expensive peak when import rates often surge the highest. Most systems maintain reserve to protect against blackouts. Ask your installer to configure backup circuits and test them before you rely on them. Retail plans vary widely. Time of use, demand charges, or VPP bonuses. The best setup depends on your state rules and your daily routine. For many households, a 14 kilowatt-hour unit balances cost and benefit, large enough for evenings without wasting capacity through the shoulder seasons. So, what is the bottom line? While the federal $7.2 billion AUD budget sounds huge, the individual incentives are becoming more targeted and will decrease more frequently. This is why local advice is now more critical than ever. Federal STCs are just the foundation. Depending on where you live, whether it's Victoria's interest-free loans or New South Wales's VPP bonuses, you can stack these incentives to maximize your ROI. A local expert knows exactly which state programs align with the new federal rules to get you the best deal. For more deep dives into the shifting world of home energy, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Lumen House Guide. Don't leave your energy independence to chance. Let's build your efficient home together. See you in the next one.